Okay guys, so if you're seeing this and it says tutorial number 4, I believe, for armor, then this is the number 4 tutorial. And if it says that it's the short version, then I guess this is the short version. But basically, I did a version and it ended up being 25 minutes long or whatever, just because my computer, the laptop that I normally do it on, lagged out like crazy. So I'm going to be doing it on this now, which is my main computer. As you can see, obviously the size of everything is much smaller. I'll probably expand out the size of my mouse so that you guys can actually see what's going on. So basically there's only like two things that are different from everything else. This is like my main mod that I do, so you can see all this stuff I've added in. It's pretty intense. Not gonna lie. So yeah, I've added in like all these things, like different bows that have like different abilities and stuff. Anyway, it's crazy. Yeah, there's only two things that are different, so let's start off here. I'm just going to be making boots for my lapis, the lapis weapons that are part of my mod, like the lapis lazuli item, and then you just put, instead of item axe or whatever like you'd put up here, instead of like putting item boots, you put item armor, because what the item is, like if it's boots or a helmet or whatever, is going to be defined later in the code, which is really simple. So 1,000 and let's just follow the pattern here and just go 57 EnumArmorMaterial.lapis, and I will show you right now where the lapis is, like how you would put this in. It's an EnumArmor material instead of EnumTool material. So then you just put in your numbers, like diamond would be 386 whatever, and then you, before it basically looked like, one second actually, looked like that, and then you just add in, like, just follow the pattern with everything and replace this, because it would be a semicolon, replace it with a comma, I almost forgot what that was called, and then just put in your numbers. This number is just like the strength of everything, so I put in 40 for the ruby, and then this is a little bit more powerful than iron, but not as powerful as diamond, so I put lapis to be 20, because you can get lapis pretty dang easy. Because it's the actual blocks that we're using, not that. But anyway, the actual like lapis, like little like item that you get, it's the actual block that we're making everything out of. So now 6, and in the long version I didn't explain what this number means. Basically, that's the number on here on the render player, and I've actually forgot to put in redstone. Interesting. So basically, this is the number that shows up on here. So cloth would be 1, and then obviously redstone is 5. So look, 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, it starts at 0. Sorry. So 1, 2. It's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, it took a long time to count 5. You just put in lapis, and then that's it. Just put in what it is, and if it's I guess this is the 7th one, but because it's the 7th one, you put in 6, if that makes sense. So, and then right here, you're setting what it is. So 0 would be the helmet, 1 is the body, 2 is the legs, and 3 is obviously the boots. It's honestly that simple. Set item name, and then you just set your item name. It's boots, lapis. That's it. It's now rendering what like your file is going to look like. And actually, one second here, I just want to show you guys where you can like edit your files or whatever, put them in. That's might be the only part of crap. What am I doing? I'm just, that was, anyway, I apologize. So your armor, just go into the armor, take this, and then put your, like, this is for the render of what it's going to look like on your body. You have to put the files inside here. So just take diamond or whatever and then change the color, or gold or whatever the heck color you want to use. Change the color to, like, if you're did lapis, just change it to blue or whatever, and then it'll render onto your player. So that's good. As we can see here, the boots are down here. Let's just set how you're gonna make it. It's exactly the same as how we've done everything before. I'm just gonna do dirt, obviously, first, just because I'm just testing everything. So, and then this is exactly the same. Just put exactly where you're finding it. This is in the lapis armor though, so that's where you find it. Let's test this, see if it works. It should work. I don't even like. It's just a quick update to show you guys that the mod actually does work. So anyway, there's something wrong with the items. I don't know. The armor is all fine, so I put that in a new file called mod_new armor. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys. I was gonna say what you need to do, but there's nothing that I need to do. It works perfectly fine. Let's just put this full screen here. So you can see that I'm wearing my nice lapis boots, the boots that we made, and I'm not sure where oh, there's my crafting bench. So basically right now, the crafting recipe is how lapis boots actually would be, but oh my god, and I keep getting seeds every time I destroy a block. No, it's weird. Anyway, and I keep deafening you guys, I'm sorry. I might end up muting that clip, so you guys might not be deafened, but it works. So instead, it's the same of how boots should be made, except I put dirt instead. So that's basically it. It works. I'll show you here quickly that this number here does matter. So if I set this to 3 and this to 2, our boots are not going to be going on our chest, which will look really, really funny. It's not going to actually load boots on your chest, but see, now you put them on your chest instead, and it'll show up as your actual. That looks like it's showing up as what the boots should be, but that's not. That's just how I designed the pants because it looks good with the chest plate. So anyway, that's just to show you guys it works, because some of you might complain and go, no, it doesn't work, but it does. So anyway, I will see you guys next tutorial. I might do how to make a super tool, which can destroy anything. Honestly, it's really, 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 really simple. So anyway, I will see you guys next episode. And yeah, peace out.